Maraming salamat po sa napakatahimik yung palakpakan. Palakpak po tayo, parang awayan na po. Naghahanap buhay na po.
Maraming salamat. Do you want to see more magic? Before I proceed to the next magic, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kuya Neo. Alright, who wants to be a magician someday? Can I see your hand? Alright, so I've been performing for almost a decade. And of course, you know kids, if you want to become a magician, you must learn how to do a magic. Who wants to learn to do a magic? Okay, for now, please be seated, relax, and enjoy the show. Do you want to see more? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuya Neo Show as we celebrate the 7th birthday celebration of Angelo. Isang masigawang palakpakan naman. Yay! For today, kids, we do have our magic word. Our magic word for tonight is Happy Birthday Angel. Everybody shout the magic word. You have to say it together.